Red Hot Breaks, we got WWE Prizm Box number 2 by the pack, and we got a free bonus box of Next and a free bonus box of Fully Loaded going to somebody in the break. This is 10 spot, 120 a spot, 2 spots get a bonus pack. Let's roll a dice. It is a 1, roll again. It is a 3. All right, so on 3, let's do it. This is your order of picking 1, 2, 3. Deadhead gets to pick the first and the 9th pack. First and 9th pack for Deadhead. All right, let's duck race. Little Man has 3. Jeremy B has 2. Deadhead has 2. Richie has 2. Eddie has 1. Eddie's going to try to 1-spot this baby. All right, so we'll do this twice. Twice for first time for a pack, second time for a pack, third time for the fully loaded, fourth time for next. Let's do it. Duck race, 15 seconds. We should be good. Got everybody on there. Let's shuffle you up a little bit. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Go. Here we go. Duck race. Let's go. Let's go, little duckies. Who's going to be the first ducky? Richie going to get a free pack. Richie, first pack. Richie, you're on fire. Richie on fire for the first pack. Race again. Pack number 2. Let's go. Bonus pack 1, Richie P. Bonus pack number 2, Richie P out to the lead. Oh, Eddie. Oh, no. Eddie. Eddie with the bonus pack on the 1-spotter. Wow. Eddie. Bonus pack on the 1-spotter. Unbelievable. All right, so this is for a box of, what did I say? Next is the next one? This one is next. No, this is fully loaded. Fully loaded. This is a box of fully loaded. Let's go. Fully loaded. Let's go. Number 7. Is that what number it was, Eddie? Fully loaded box. Who's it going to be? Little Man out of nowhere. Little Man with the fully loaded box. Little Man. All right, we got one more box. This is for the next box. We are really shaking it up here. Here we go. Next box. Next box. Who's it going to be? I see Todd M coming out of the pack. Deadhead coming out of the pack. Jeremy B on the bottom coming out of the pack. Looks like Jeremy B with the next box. So Jeremy with the next box. Little Man with the fully loaded. And Richie and Eddie with the bonus packs. Nice hits, everybody. Nice hits. So Richie, bonus pack. Eddie, bonus pack. Jeremy B. Next box. Little Man. Fully loaded. Nice little giveaways here. Some nice little giveaways. What'd Tiger just do, Deadhead? I know you're watching this. All right, let's do it. Pull 2 packs out of here at random. Little Man across the board. 2 packs at random. I'll number these packs. Shuffle, 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 Shuffle. Let's take this pack and this pack. All right, these are the 2 bonus packs. We'll number these bad boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, there we go. Number two. All right, Deadhead, give me the pick. Give me a pick, Deadhead. Give me a pick. Deadhead first on the board for the pick. Deadhead, then Little Man, then Richie P back to back. Deadhead 1 through 10, 2 bonus packs. 1 going to Richie and 1 going to Eddie. 5. Ooh, right here on top. Numero 5. Come on, Deadhead. Numero 5. Let's go. Let's go. Alexa Bliss, next level. Bobby Lashley, Wendy Chu, Queen Zelina, Shelton Benjamin, Stacy Keibler. That's an old school one, too. Once she wasn't been in a long time either. Zoe Stark, Kushida, Mick Foley. Mick Foley starts it off. Nice little Mick Foley there for Deadhead. Happy Corbin. And first hit is Malcolm Bivens. Malcolm Bivens Silver. Deadhead, Malcolm Bivens. And red, a true red to 299, Batista. True red to 299, Batista. True red for Deadhead. I don't know. Probably can pick up some singles pretty cheap, can't you, Eddie? I'm sure somebody's got a base set for sale on eBay, right? I would think. Little Man, number 6. We should have known that. We do know that. Number 4, number 9, number 6. All right, Little Man. 300 for the base set. Edge. Ooh, cracked ice and a blue in this one. Cracked ice and a blue, and ooh, this is cool. Next level silver edge. Next level silver of edge. Nice one there. Nice one there, Little Man. Got a cracked ice in here. Paul Heyman, Flash Morgan, Saray, Tazawa Gulak, The Miz, Veer Mahan, Cora Jade, Booker T. Who we got, Mookie? Who we got? Cameron Grimes. Cracked ice. Cameron Grimes. Cracked ice. Yeah, tie-dyed would have been awesome. Cora Jade is. Okay. And a true blue of Drew Gulak. Numbered to 199. Drew Gulak. To 199. Drew Gulak. Drew Gulak. Richie. Back to back, my friend. Back to back. Seven and 8. You got it. 7 and 8. Here we go. 7 and 8, Richie. Let's do 8 first. Becky Lynch on the back. Becky Lynch on the back. Next level, Becky Lynch. Euro, Ash, Caden Carter. A lot of horizontal cards in this. Dragunov, Lita, LA Knight, Shawn Michaels. I like that card. Umberto, Jack Stars, Mookie, Sheamus. Nice Sheamus mojo. Sheamus. First Sheamus card we've seen. And a red wave. Oh, nice hit, Richie. Andre the Giant. Red ruby wave. Andre the Giant. Nice hit, Richie. Take a photo of that for the Facebook page. Andre the Giant. Red wave. Nice hit, Richie. Good start, Richie. Good start. Hundo for that thing. Nice hit. Pack back. Pack back on that one, Richie. Pack 7. Richie P again. Becky Lynch. Becky Lynch, Prismatic. Valentina Feroz. Mustafa Ali. Sam Stoker. King Woods. Persia Parada. Ricochet. Sarov. Noam Dar. Dante Chen. Mookie's covering up a nice silver of Dana Brooke. Dana Brooke. Silver. WWE. Dana Brooke. And we got a true blue. True blue of Ridge Holland. Come on, Mookie, get under there. Ridge Holland to 199. Ridge Holland, true blue. Little man. What's up? Dave. Doing a little WWE Prizm, Dave. Doing a little WWE Prizm. How'd your New York bye turn out to be? Good? Three. Little man goes for number 3. So we got 1, 2, 4, 9, and 10 left. 1, 2, 4, 9, and 10. This is number 3. Half of 6, right? Half of 6. Beth Phoenix. Asuka. Dewdrop. Rey Mysterio. Madcap Moss. Kaylee Ray. Edge. Tyler Bate. Otis. Mookie, who you got here? We have Valkyrie. I don't know how to say the first name. Iofi. Nice. Aoki. Saray. Red Wave. Saray. Red. Ruby Red Wave. And Edge Gold. I wish it was a gold. We need a big gold, don't we, Eddie? We need a gold out of this stuff. Huge gold would be great. Jeremy B., you are on the clock. Number 2. Number 2. 1, 2, 4, 9, and 10 are remaining. 1, 2, 4, 9, and 10. Not number 2 anymore. That was Little Man. So let's go, Jeremy B. Let's go. Let's go. Gosh, the autos are being stingy this time, aren't they? Oh, let's just do this time. Tired of putting Mookie in there. Asuka. Bianca Belair. Valkyrie. Ginny. Trent Seven. Tiffany Stratton. Carmelo Hayes. Shanky. Josh Briggs. Andre. Silver of Jack Stars. And red, true red of T-Bar. Number to 299. T-Bar to 299. Andre the Giant, nice hit. And Jack Stars, silver rookie. Yeah, the lowest numbered card we got is to 99 in the last pack, right? Last box. Jeremy B. Eddie, you are up. We have eluded the autos so far. Could the autos be in the 2 bonus packs this time again? One of them was in the bonus packs last time. Eddie, you are up. You're torn between 2 packs, so we got 1 and 4, 9 and 10. 1, 4, 9, and 10. That's how they sit right there. Numero 1. Let's do it, Eddie. Come on. Number 1. Number 1, let's get an auto. We got a red. Ooh, it could be a red. It's flipped around backwards. It could be a red auto, Eddie. Finn Balor. Could be a red auto. Quinn. Eric. Grimes. AJ Styles. R-Truth. Sheamus. Barthel. Brutus Creed. Sasha Banks. R-Truth silver, and we got a red auto. I think it's a red auto. Numbered to 99. 7 of 99. Oh, man. Edge. What a hit. 7 of 99. Edge. Wow. Nice hit, Eddie. Superstar. Edge to 99. Sweet. Nice hit, Eddie. Eddie was torn between 2 packs, and he looks like he picked the correct one. Wow, nice hit, man. Edge. Nice hit, Eddie. Eddie, you were due in here for a nice hit lately. 7 of 99. Red auto. Nice one, Eddie. Nice hit. And R-Truth. silver. Little man is going to go with number 9. Nice hit, Eddie. Nice hit. Little man goes number 9. Number 9. So Deadhead, we got pack 4 and 10 is up next. Goldberg. Ooh, orange in here. Goldberg, Fearless. Got an orange coming. Wes Lee. Lopez. Natala. Bivens. Rhea Ripley. Undertaker. Nice hit. Gonzalez. Dusty Rhodes. Jinder Mahal. Humberto Silver and orange of Bobby Lashley to 99. Bobby Lashley to 99. Bobby Lashley. Humberto Silver. And Undertaker. Base. Deadhead is going to go with numero 10. Numero 10. Not bad number to 99 for sure. This box has definitely been better, has it not? Sure seems like it has been to me. That was Todd M. Deadhead is going to go with number 10. That's going to leave Jeremy B with number 4. 10-4. 10, Deadhead. Let's roll. Let's roll. The Miz. The Miz. Prismatic entrance. Grayson Waller. Dana Brooke. Mansoor. Rick Boggs. Boogs. Dunn, Lacey Evans, Sonya Deville, James Drake, Roderick Strong, R-Truth. He's hot in these packs. And Josh Briggs. Josh Briggs, Red Wave. Josh Briggs. And R-Truth. Josh Briggs, R-Truth. Last pack mojo. All right, Jeremy B. We're still missing an ink, right? We're still missing an ink. Next level, Rey Mysterio, Harland, JC Jane, Roman Reigns, Becky Lynch, Primate, Mandy Rose, Brock Lesnar. Nice one. Bruno Sammartino. Big E, silver of Grayson Waller, and auto of Shanky from SmackDown. Shanky from SmackDown. Shanky and Grayson Waller, rookie. Gold and teals, what'd you say? Shanky. Good old Shanky. I don't know who Shanky is, but he must be on SmackDown. All right, Richie. We'll dice roll. Let's see which bonus pack you get. All right, Richie. 1, 2, 3, you get the top pack. 4, 5, 6, you get the bottom. It is a 1. Richie P. bonus pack. Let's go. Bianca Belair. Teeman. Toman. Ooh, we got a purple in this one. Angel. Jimmy Uso. D'Angelo. Uso. Charlotte Flair. Mysterio. Triple H. Finally, we get a Triple H, even a base card. Sami Zayn. Whoa, almost dropped Sami Zayn. Gosh, Brian, Butterfingers. Sami Zayn, cracked ice. And Noam Dar, true purple to 149. Noam Dar to 149. I'm not sure who Noam Dar is either. I need to get my WWE knowledge up a little bit more. Noam Dar. All right, Eddie. You going to call your shot on the last pack? What's in it? What do you think, Eddie? Big color in your last pack? You're going to call your shot, Eddie? I'm going to say a Rock Mojo. That'd be awesome. All right, Eddie, final pack of the break. Let's do it. Kofi Kingston. Kofi Kingston. Breaker, Braun Breaker. Eddie says sleeve Braun Breaker for him. Robert Stone. Amali. Shotzi. Cedric Alexander. Leah. Satur. Elias Dolan. Ginny Mojo. And red of Tozawa. And Ginny Mojo rookie. Ginny Mojo rookie. Gigi. Brock Ruby would have been sweet. Brock definitely would have been sweet. Okay, we got fully loaded Little Man and Jeremy B NXT box. Yeah, you did good, Eddie. Got the bonus pack on a one-spotter. You can't beat that. Got the best card of the break, I'm sure. All right, Little Man, I'm sure we're opening yours. You got it. Let's go, Little Man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fully loaded. Blue. Oh, this is a cool card. Number 210. 2020 Money in the Bank used ladder relic autograph of Lacey Evans. That's pretty sweet. On card auto. Lacey Evans, 8 of 10. That is definitely one of the shortest prints fully loaded we've ever gotten. Lacey Evans, 8 of 10. Nice hit, Little Man. definitely one of the nicest fully loaded boxes we've gotten. That's pretty cool. I need to take a picture of that for the Facebook group also. Southern Belle in WWE. Oh, I didn't know that. Not a bad bonus hit, for sure. All right, Jeremy B. Let's see what we got here. WWE next. WWE next. Let's go. Bronson Reed to 99. 26 of 99. Bronson Reed. Next autograph. Bronson Reed to 99. First ink. First little ink. Pack number 1. Nobody has a thought on that card. Usually there's a numbered card in these two. Don't see it. Pack 2. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Finn Balor. Ooh, Arturo, numbered to 99. 2 numbered to 99s. Arturo Ruas. On card also. Rookie card. 2 rookies. Arturo Ruas. So 2 numbered to 99 autos in the free next box. Green. Mansoor, maybe it's not green, thought it was. Otis and Tucker. Cool. All right, checkered flag on that break.